Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a little different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me just 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't really matter, or that you just don't care about, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'm going to straight up tell you which are the best VPNs for uTorrent right now, and share a few things about each that actually matter, so you can pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my whole research document for free and read it anytime this year. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Top 3 VPN services for uTorrent and why. First, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for uTorrent. Why? First off, it works flawlessly with uTorrent. That's super important. Speed. It's literally one of the fastest I tested, with great download and upload speeds, no throttling, and 0 connection drops during torrenting. Features. It's packed. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. This means your torrent sessions stay private and secure. Pricing and support. The price is pretty cheap for what it offers, and the support, top notch. Logs? Nope, not at all. That's a fact. Encryption. They use the best encryption tech out there to keep your uTorrent activity totally private. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no issues, and pretty affordable for what you get. Negatives, only a 10 device limit. Second best VPN for uTorrent is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built purely for performance and privacy while torrenting. Speed, incredibly fast with steady stable speeds, no slowdowns, no packet loss, just smooth torrenting. Features, has all the essentials plus a bit more. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome if you want to route only uTorrent traffic through the VPN or the other way around. Pricing and support, one of the best value for your money options. Usually cheaper than the competition, but delivers top-tier performance. Support's quick and helpful. Logs, they don't keep any. They have an independently audited no-logs policy. Encryption, top-notch, AES 256. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which can make privacy nerds a little nervous. But their no-log audit totally checks out. The server network is smaller than the other two too. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Great for torrenting and serious value. Third best VPN for uTorrent is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? Massive server network and the most customization here, perfect for advanced torrent users. Speed, very good. The huge server network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby for smooth downloads and uploads. Features, packed with goodies, kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and the most customizable VPN on this list. You can tweak pretty much everything to optimize your uTorrent setup. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium option here. Support's pretty good and professional. Logs, nope, no logs. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, best encryption tech available, and it's customizable. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app's not as clean or polished as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best choice if you're on a budget, but still want a massive network and advanced features for torrenting. And that's it, my top 3 picks for uTorrent: NordVPN, IPVanish, and PIA. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on colors or logos, you'll be more than fine because they just work perfectly with uTorrent. Quick recap to end the video if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN experience for uTorrent. Premium, packed with features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that delivers incredible value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but want a huge server network and tons of advanced features for torrenting. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description, so you can get the best prices available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.